Good morning. This is Patrick with Premier Truck Group of Oklahoma City, bringing to you stock number S665112 with 423,000 miles. The truck is freshly cleaned up, serviced, and ready to hit the road with you. It is a fleet spec truck for maximum fuel efficiency, has a Thermo King APU unit that is great for reducing idle time. Truck is equipped with 50% or better recap drives, a stationary fifth wheel, and drum brakes on the rear drives. All aluminum rims, freshly painted frame rails. This beautiful blue beauty is ready to hit the road and be part of your fleet. As you can see, no body damage, paint sparkling shiny. The truck is equipped with a Cummins X15 engine, 450 horsepower with 1,850 foot-pounds of torque. Backed by an automated manual transmission that shifts like an automatic. It is a very well-spec'd truck with an air suspension dump switch and an interaxle lock switch. It is equipped with an inverter for your 110 outlets. It also has a factory fridge, has double beds. We sell and deliver trucks all across the United States. We have this truck and many more for you to choose from. So come on down to Freightliner of Oklahoma City.